Mbonisi here. So welcome to Learn with Mbonisi. Okay, so I'm having this kind of like idea, right? I want to create this big bank management system using C++ on this channel. So I'm going to try to create the whole program piece by piece, maybe in series. I just don't know. It's just like an idea which just came into my mind. So I want to be able to like clone almost this same way the banking system works, but we are going to be dealing with it from zero up to a level where we are able to store our account information every transaction. I think so. Is it every transaction? I might lie. Okay, let me say account information into a file which will be stored in a computer. Let's say like an account detail, a user's account details. Maybe in the near future I'll be able, and you guys with your help in the comment section and communicating, maybe we'll be able to end the project to the point where it will store multiple users, right? In C++, yes, on a console. So it's kind of like an idea which I'm just going to challenge myself to do, or hoping it will work out. And I'm just going to stress and even go back to the books which I've never read. Yeah. Yes, I've studied C++ at college, like within 1 year. Yes, I failed, passed, then finally passed in the college, passed in my certificate, but that doesn't even contribute to the point I am today, because maybe it does contribute, but yeah, because I've been failing in the content which we studied, just like basic C++, and the content which I was reading, going through, like it was like stressful. I couldn't even remember the content. I couldn't even understand most of the concept, because hey, these guys were not even using namespace std. They were just including it within the program, just like this. They could say std. Those is it same colors? No, those are not same colors. Those two dots. Yeah, just like those. Then they'll put C out. Okay, and maybe you understand. STD, then they put C out. And that's how they print out. And it was like confusing for me. But somehow this is what I like, so I'm going to try to learn it, and hopefully I will explain it in a much more easy, simpler way which you guys can understand by building projects on this platform. So guys, you know, if you watch the video to this part, please, should I say please? Yes, please subscribe to the channel. Click like button if it was helpful. I don't know. I don't think this one video is even helpful, but it's just an update. So guys, see you next time. Is it recording? See you next time. So the first video which I did was like you're going to see it right after this video. I'm going to post that video.